What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I just got off of work right now. I'm heading to Sunnyside. I'm gonna go give a payment, and then once I get home, we're gonna try to install the windshield. I just got the notification it got delivered. I did order it like a week ago. I've been slacking on ordering it, and I was like, it's getting cold, the winter's coming, I need the windshield. So that's what I did, and that's what we'll be doing today. So once I get home, I'll show you guys the windshield. I got it off Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description if you guys are interested in getting one. We're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully it's not broken, because it is glass, and it was cheap. I think it was like $280, $300 around there. And then from factory or from the dealership, they were charging me $2,000. So that's $1,800 difference, $1,700 difference. So that's the plan, is to get home and then hopefully install the windshield. I hope it's easy. So I'll catch you guys once I get home. Alright guys, so just got home. The windshield's in a wooden box, which is sick. I didn't think it was gonna come in a wooden box. I got the Can-Am right over there, as you guys can see. I finally finished the carport for all the jumpers, the bull. So since it's raining, I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Hopefully everything's in here, so then tomorrow I think the weather should be better. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath right now, but tomorrow I'll probably move this trailer, park the Can-Am here, and then just get it done, hopefully. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Forgot to tell you guys, but I also did get some windshield wipers for the Can-Am. Just come with the little knob, which is gonna be by hand. So it's basically gonna go something like that. So we'll probably install this one later, maybe on the weekend. But right now we're gonna open up the box, and hopefully it has all the hardware. I did see a video where it said that they didn't have hardware, so you had to buy it. So I'd rather double check, make sure that I have it. If not, I could just go tomorrow after work to the store and buy it. I just brought the box outside. I got my trusty old tool, this one right here, and my hammer, so we could take off the staples, or basically open up the box, and then I'll pick up the camera once I finish opening it, so I can show you guys the windshield. So we finally got the top cover off, and windshield isn't broken, which is a good thing. So one of these is the visor. I want to say this one might be the top or the bottom visor. And we got the whole windshield, and by the looks of it, I'm gonna have to go buy that hardware I was telling you guys about, because it didn't come with any. So I'm gonna have to look at the guy's video once again. I believe it's just one, it's a couple that they're little clamps that go around the bar. Let me see if I can show you guys. Give me a second. Don't mind the Can-Am, it's super dirty, haven't washed it, but there's something like this that I'm gonna have to go buy. I'm pretty sure Ace should have some, and I'm also gonna need the bolts for the visors. So I guess tomorrow I'll pick up the camera again right after work once I get to Ace to look for the bolts and those little clamp brackets things I'm talking about. We just made it to my parents. I just laid this on top of the windshield. So right now we're gonna install, I think we install these parts first, not even sure. We're just gonna wing it. So by the looks of it, there's that hole in the bottom, so it should go down here, I'm hoping. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but we're about to figure it out. Alright guys, so we just set up this bottom piece. I'm still going to lift up the windshield to get it where I need it. Just it's kind of hard being one person, because this one I think it has to go up here somewhere, if I'm right. But I think we should be decently good. I just found some random bolts, so they might be mix matching, but if it works, it works. So we just finished the windshield. We got everything on. Not sure how good we did. These screws, it's only that one. We're missing 4 bolts, my bad. But now it's done. Now it's time to go test drive it, see how much better it is. You guys ready? Alright, let's go. So as you guys could see in the last video, we went out to test drive it, and let me tell you guys, windshield works amazing. I got it off Amazon for I think like 300 bucks. The link will be in the description. All I did to install it was, as you guys seen, I had laid it down on the floor. I put this bottom piece on first, as in support. So once I laid the windshield onto the bar, it was basically supporting it. And then once Chante and Nano came, we put the brackets, or these clamps, we put them on, and then we did the roof. I barely got the screws for the roof, which don't look too bad. And then this hole in the middle, you guys can see it, that's where I'm gonna put my windshield wiper. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna go grab it and install it. Also show you guys how I install it. Hopefully this helps you guys kind of understand. I'm sorry I don't really pick up the camera and record the process, but let me go get that windshield wiper and install it right now. So this is the adapter that's going to go on the inside of the Can-Am to wipe the windshield. We got the blade and then the extended arm. I'll also put the link in the description for this if you guys are interested. So right now we're just going to take all these right here, we're gonna take them off, we're gonna pass them through and put them back on. And then this little arm, the arm right here, goes right here where this little nut is. So let me just do that real quick, and then it shouldn't take me too long. So the little handle comes off. All I did was I kept these right there, kept those on, and then I just passed it through the windshield and then just tightened it up. So now this one's gonna go in, we're gonna get the blade and then screw it on. I'll show you guys right now. And just like that, we got the knob and the arm, which you guys can see that it does move perfect. So now we're gonna put the blade on and then give it a little test. Also, it did come with 2 blades for the windshield, so I'm gonna save this one for whenever I need it. Let's say the one that I have on right now gives out, we got the other one spare, so we're gonna test it out right now. I'm gonna grab a bottle of water that I had from work. All right, so I just put the blade down. We're gonna dump some water just like that. And now let's jump in the Can-Am. Try it out. So let's grab this one right up, just like that. Like that. Compared to the before and now the after, I think it works great, to be honest. So I mean, as you guys could see, not working as much. We just got to tighten it, so we're gonna tighten it and we should be set. Too much fun over. guys. My flashlight's dying, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video on putting on the windshield and driving the Can-Am. As you guys can see, we did have a lot of fun, especially hitting the puddles because it's been raining for the past week actually. And this was probably one of my favorite videos, being able to drive the Can-Am at nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have everything down in the description: the windshield, the wiper, the enclosure, the speaker, the cover, the Can-Am cover. So check those out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Laters.